Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all my viewers are fine and doing well. Guys, in this collection you see the ideas of hula hoop beads designs, centerpieces designs. You know the Christmas festival are coming soon and everyone waiting for the best Christmas decoration ideas. This collection is all about the decoration of Merry Christmas 2025. All unique designs are available for my viewers. Merry Christmas 2025. The celebration are so beautiful, the celebration are so attractive, and guys, if you are watching the best YouTube channel related to the trees designs, Christmas designs, centerpieces designs, candles designs, cakes designs, the variety of decoration die centerpieces designs are available for my viewers. So watch, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.